If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. We are not in the backyard, but we are going to talk gardening and construct a garden bed. We are at a property in the North Woods of Wisconsin where we would like to have a small garden. Now, the problem with having or creating a garden in a nature woods is animals. Squirrels, rabbits, raccoons, deer, turkey, fill in the blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the soil worked. We're just going to create a very very simplistic raised bed, essentially, is what this is going to be based on the way the land lays. Then we're going to wrap it with some chicken wire. We're not going to plant anything because we are in zone 4 up here, and we still got a couple of more weeks before all frost chances are over. It's still getting down in the high 30s at night. So here's what I've got going on here. The way the land is, you'll see a dip here and you'll see a dip there. That is when this property was logged approximately 1999. They came in and just really tore the landscape up with their large equipment. So instead of filling in that ditch there or that rut there, however you want to define it, there is an elevation here of about 8 inches to 10 inches. So where the shovel is, will approximately by about another 2 foot back will be the back side of the bed, and the front of the bed will be right here. The sun illuminates most of the day on this bed here. Because of all the trees that are dead here, this used to be a bog swamp similar to what that is down there, but has receded. So you can put a garden in the woods. You just need to be very aware that not everything that you plant is going to make it. Now, products like deer defeat can assist you in the protection of your bed, as well as a barrier also helps in the protection of the bed. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to work this soil, just simply flipping it over. This soil is very rocky, but it is rich in color, it's a dark color, which is a good indication there's a nutrient value here. It is the woods. Nothing's ever grown here except for native plants, and water has been over this area, and the microbes and the swamp stuff and the water and all that stuff has absorbed into the soil here. So this bed is approximately 4 foot wide and about 12 foot long is what it's going to end up being. So I'm going to get this flipped over and I will show you the results when I get it done, and then we'll put a fence up around it. Okay, so I've got as much flipped over as I would like. I'll get you an actual measurement here. Looking at, yeah, about 4 foot 52 inches by 14 foot. So whatever that figures at, 4 times 14. So what am I going to plant in this bed? Intend to put 4 tomato plants, 4 pepper plants, 2 eggplants, a squash like a zucchini, as well as potentially 2 rows of green beans, which would be 8 foot of green beans, with the understanding that some of this is not going to survive because of the animals. Now I've got chicken wire here. I don't know if I have enough to go around, but if you're doing this, again, this is just a simplistic, we want to grow stuff, we're in the woods, we got full sun, here's what we're doing. So I'm going to get corner posts, and I've got trees everywhere, so that's not going to be an issue. Limbs, sticks, doesn't have to be anything permanent. And then we can put the fence up. Now you could also run some fencing on top of it until the plants get established if you wanted to do that. I don't believe we'll go to that route, but that is an option if you choose to do that. It was not planned, but we have exactly the right amount of chicken wire. Now, what I'll do is I'll come in here and put a stake in the center and then kind of tighten it up a little bit, just to slow things down that may be wanting to get in. Now, because I'm not planning anything today, I'm not going to really nail it down, secure it. I just want to get the general structure of it up. But the down and dirty, simplistic way of getting a little garden bed flipped over and a little security around it in the woods for a secondary garden or a small primary garden. So thank you so much for joining me. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.